back to the channel everyone. Today is 29th March 2020. The time right now is it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and I've just come over to the workshop to build a final year college project. Not my workshop actually. One of my team members has like a small workshop at his place. So I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, took a bus and came over here to Satarda. So yeah, aluminum T-slot bar, all the drawings, audio board, CNC in my bag. So let's go. Unboxing aluminum T-slot, 1 million views. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we are here at Pritesh's workshop. So he has all the tools. I need a place like this. I need like a small place like this to build bikes and stuff. He has big welding machines. He has bench grinders. He has drilling machines. He has hatodi watodis. He has aluminum over here. Big cutting saws. Small welder. बड़ा आ रहा है workshop तो 60 centimeter as the length and 70 as the breadth. So we have marked our aluminum T-slot 60 and 70. Now let's get to cutting. Pritesh is cutting the polystyrene boards to dimensions to make those support structures, and our aluminum T-slot base is also cut and ready. So now we will begin the next. Okay, so now we have ordered these corner brackets and N5 nuts and bolts, which we will be using to connect the aluminum T-slot. Let's go. After measuring using vernier caliper, we have to now drill the holes which are required for the motor's shaft to go freely through the polystyrene clamps. Okay, so just got back from buying some stuff. Someone threw holy color on me because today is Holi and I'm still working on my project. So we got some araldite to stick the polystyrene parts, and now we are gonna stick the parts according to the drawings which we have made and assemble the machine. Time right now is 3:11. Wait, let me just check. Yeah, it is 3:11 p.m. It is in the afternoon. It is after lunch, and the we have made the polystyrene parts which we will be using to assemble the project, and they are now kept for drying so that like they dry up, and then we can use these parts to assemble. Still some parts are pending to be made, so all of these parts need to be made. This page is completed, this one is incomplete, so we are working on that right now. Okay, so now So all of our stuff is now almost dried up, and all of our stuff is ready also. So now we will drill the holes and assemble it onto the T-slot frame.